Hey everyone, Gilder of graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about budgeting. Especially in these times, you got to watch what you're spending and track everything and eliminate some of the fluff or non-essential spending you're doing. Prices are going up and incomes are going down, so having a budget, knowing what you're spending on what and tracking it is very important. So I would suggest you use some of the budgeting tools that are out there that are free. And if you happen to have Microsoft Office on your computer, your Excel program is excellent for tracking budgeting. And if you need to, I have a budget spreadsheet that I can email to you if you're really interested in it. All right? So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, such as budgeting. And if you can, grow an indoor garden, because store prices for food is going out of this world.